Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be doing my first impressions, makeup tutorials and swatches of the new Huda Beauty mini obsession palettes. I have the chocolate brown and the toffee brown obsession. So as always, if you like to watch makeup reviews, first impressions of new makeup products, please don't forget to subscribe on my channel. So if you're makeup enthusiast, if you're makeup lover, please don't forget to subscribe on my channel. Click the bell to be notified every time I upload my videos. Now let's go get started. So I will be comparing this one with the chocolate brown because some of the shades kind of look similar. So I heard so many. Sorry, I'm just trying not to drop this palette because this palette was like $65. Okay, so I heard mixed reviews about Huda's mini obsessions, so I wasn't really sure about these two in here, but I really wanted to try this out for myself because I know different products works differently on different persons. So I decided to get these two items. So they retail for $29. They are made in China, while the big palettes from Huda are made in Italy. So I'm gonna show you guys the Toffee Brown. This was the first item that I really wanted. So I guess I'm running out of breath right now. So this is the packaging, by the way. Tortoise. And then information at the back. So here you go. And this one is good in for 2 years. So this is the brown toffee. And I'm gonna show you guys the inside. And here are the shades. So like 4 mattes and maybe 2 shimmers and maybe metallic shade, this white one, but they all kind of shimmery. This yellow, this one really caught my interest. So this is really pretty. It's not a bright yellow, but it's more of a mustard yellow, and the colors are really beautiful. Like I said, the colors are very similar to other mini obsession palettes. So I'm excuse my hands right now, and I'm breathing again. I can breathe right now. It's so hot. And then next one is the chocolate brown. Same the type of packaging, the back, and then I'm gonna show you guys the inside. Oh, so pretty. These colors are really pretty for every day. So some of the shades look kind of similar to the Naughty Nude, so I'm definitely going to compare this one. And you can see guys the four matte shades, and you can see like big chunk of glitters of this over here, this one and this one right here. So I heard mixed reviews about this. I only watched maybe 2 YouTubers of their like first impressions of the mini obsession. So I was kind of scared, but I'm gonna try this out for you guys. So I'm gonna prime my lids really quickly, and I'll be right back. Oh, I'm starting off when I already applied this yellow one. Okay, so I'm starting off with the brown toffee, and I'm gonna be trying out this this yellow shade, mustard yellow. I like that it doesn't look bright yellow. It's a mustard yellow. It's more of a wearable yellow shade. It's this one just a tiny bit, just tiny bit chalky. Yes, tiny bit. Next I'll be taking this. Okay, next I'll be taking this one, a brown mustard shade, and just I'm using the Persona Cosmetics brush. This one I really like from Persona Cosmetics. Well, this one's a little better. It's not patchy, but it's not also very pigmented. It's more of a buildable, which I do not mind at all as long as it's not patchy. You know what, I'm gonna be using this shade just to deepen it up a little bit. Kind of dusty, just to give it. Okay, so this one's not bad too. Okay, I'm gonna try this one. I'm gonna use my finger to apply this, or maybe I think I'm gonna apply this one first, and you see this dry. This one is more of a eyeshadow topper. It doesn't look very opaque. Oh, I just blew the shimmers on my face. And then I'm gonna apply this metallic shade on top of this. Oh, this one's more of a metallic, like very opaque shade. Oh, this is pretty. This is pretty. I like this. Okay, I'm gonna use this brush because it's hard to make it more precise. So much fallout though. I mean, we do have to clean up the mess. Then I'm gonna use this dark brown to do like a smoky, I mean like that's my wing liner. And then I'm gonna wipe this mess under my eyes. You can see guys the crazy amount of fallout. So I highly recommend to do your eye makeup first because oh my god, the shimmers are have so much fallout. And then I'm just gonna clean up the edge. See, dramatic wing eye. Okay, so there you go. This is my right side with the Toffee Brown palette, mini palette, and then on my other side I'll be using the chocolate brown. So I just could have, you know, just applied on my lower lashes the shadows. I forgot, sorry about that guys. So next I'll be using this shade as my transition shade. This is more of a warm tone palette, and it kind of reminds me of the what's that palette, Naughty Nude palette. So I'm definitely going to compare after, you know, my makeup tutorials. I'll be doing swatches. And this one, not bad, not bad. Next I'll be taking this not second but like in mid-tone dark brown shade, and this is the Sigma brush that I got from my one of my Sigma palettes. And this, you know, dipping it up. Okay, so this one is not bad at all. What else I should, you know, use let me I think I'm gonna use this one. I'm just gonna apply this on my finger again. Oh, this is pretty. Kind of similar to the other one that I'm wearing right now. So I think I'm gonna be like mixing this one with another color. So two similar similar undertones. So I'm just gonna spread this out. Let me try this metallic brown, dark brown shade mixed with red. I'm gonna just to dipping it up, I guess, a little bit. I'm gonna use this shade again to like wing out, like line my waterline. I'm gonna have to put on false lashes, apply the rest of my makeup off camera, and then I'll be back. I'll be doing SWAT, be comparing the Naughty Nude with the chocolate brown, because like I mentioned before, some of the shades look very similar. I don't have that many eyeshadow palettes from Huda because I wasn't into this brand before, so that's why. Alright, so let me yeah, put on the rest of my makeup and I'll be right back. Naughty Nude. I think this one retails for I think $65, and this is the new one, the Chocolate Obsessions. Some of the shades look similar, so I'm gonna show you guys swatches right now. So the top swatches are from, sorry, the Naughty Nude, and the bottom are from the chocolate brown, or maybe 2 or 3 shades, matte shades, look a little bit similar, but the metallics not so much, as you can see, guys, not so much. So it's getting late right now, so I'm gonna talk about my thoughts about these new palettes from Huda. So first is the Toffee Brown, which I'm wearing on my right side right now. This one I really like. I like this one way better than the chocolate brown. I'm kind of disappointed with chocolate brown. I'm gonna talk about it after this one. Okay, so the matte, oh my god, so beautiful. These colors are so pretty. I know these shades are not very unique, you know. We have seen like some, I mean, most of the palettes from Huda are very, you know, similar. I mean, maybe some of them, are most are similar, but you can only do so much with makeup. So it's about, you know, nowadays about formulation. So moving on. So this one I really like, this yellow. It looked a little bit chalky, but it wasn't too chalky that it blended away. So I really like this one. It did not blend away. And then I think I used most of the matte shades in here. They were actually really nice. They were not as great as the matte shades from the Naughty Nude from Huda, but I still like the matte shades. They were very easy to work with. $29. It's a little bit expensive in my opinion, but you know, Huda isn't it? The products are, you know, expensive. And then the metallic shades were also good. I really like metallic shades. These two right here are more like eyeshadow toppers. This is like soft, like highlighting color in the inner corners if you want that, you know. But this is almost like, especially this eyeshadow, it's like eyeshadow topper. I personally do not mind eyeshadow toppers. Yeah, you know, the add like, you know, beauty, or the emphasize the eyes of your, or the shadows look really dull. You just add eyeshadow topper or toppers on your eyes. So I personally do not mind at all. So this is really nice, guys. I really like the formulation of this one. I really like this, although it's not as good as the Naughty Nude, but I really like the color story of this one. I like the formulation. The colors are so beautiful. Oh my goodness, so beautiful. Huda knows what she knows her color stories. So this one is so pretty, so pretty. Okay, so next is the chocolate brown. I am not very, but a little disappointed with this. Okay, so maybe 3 matte shades look similar to the Naughty Nude, but the quality, I mean, they're not the same. This one I really like the shades in here, guys. They are so beautiful. They are more like warm tone, in my opinion. What you guys think? So the mattes were actually not bad, but they were not as great as the Naughty Nude. They were not as great as the Toffee Brown. The metallics look really dull on my eyes. I mean, I wasn't really happy with the metallic shades. This one was okay. These two right here, they look really dull. The mattes were not bad at all, but like I mentioned, they were not as great as the Naughty Nude. They were not as great as the brown toffee. So overall, guys, I really like this one. This is so nice. I mean, if you're, you know, waiting for Sephora's VIP sale, this one might want to pick this up. I mean, if you want to, if you have all the palettes from Huda, you don't really need to get these. But if you're a makeup lover, you know, if you want to try out the Huda's new mini obsessions, I highly recommend the Toffee Brown. I mean, you do not really need to, but you know, if you want to, this one is really nice. So sorry, I'm running out of breath right now because I had like a test earlier and I had to breathe a lot. Okay, so yeah, those are all my thoughts about the Huda Mini Obsessions palette. I mean, let me know if you have tried anything from Huda, especially the new obsessions. And this is the end of my video. Please don't forget to subscribe on my channel if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up, and I hope to see you all on my next video. Bye bye.